If you also have a father that has almost everything, I'm telling you, he has almost everything, he doesn't need anything, I have something for him as well that he will so much love it when you present it to him. Let's always think about, it is not how expensive something is, it is the thought behind it that matters. No matter how cheap or how expensive a gift is the way you present it and the thought you have behind it, you know, for you to even purchase it at all. That is what matters a lot. Welcome back to my channel, Simply Family. How you are doing today? I hope you all are having an amazing day. Hope you're having an amazing week as well. Thank you all so much for your likes, thank you for your comments, thank you for your subscriptions, thank you to my old and my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, we are going to be talking about 10 Father's Day gifts idea that are under $100. So all these products that I'll be mentioning today, they're under $100, okay? And I believe a lot of us, by the grace of God, will be able to afford them. All right. And please, if today is your first time coming across my channel or coming across this face, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on the notification post so as to get notified whenever I upload. So please don't forget to check the description box. I'm going to be leaving the links to this product down there just in case if you're interested. All right, without wasting much of your time, guys, let's jump right into today's video. So I listed all this product down in order for me not to forget, or for me not to blab you or ears out by going like it doesn't make sense. Okay, we have to prepare when we come to the screen. You know, sometimes we make mistake because we are human, or we make mistake with our pronunciation. We are human, so we can never be perfect. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead. The first one I have on my list, it's gonna be an Oast wine freeze cooling cup, and this is what I meant by it. Is either it's going to be here or there. All right, this will be a very good gift to give a father that loves to, you know, we're going into summer. No matter what, if he doesn't even like to drink beer, he doesn't like to drink wine or anything, he can just put his water into it and, you know, just chill at the patio and use this classic and very sophisticated cool freezing cup to drink whatever choice of his own drink. All right, and this goes for $19.99. I'll also put the price on this beautiful, classy, you know, sophisticated cup that will keep your drinks chill and cool. So that would be a nice thing to give to dad. My number 2 on the list is going to be an indoor or outdoor electric grill. All right, this is a little bit pricey, and you know, it's 2-in-1. It's you can use it outside, you can use it inside. I guess that's why it's pricey. It's $89.99. that's the amount. And yes, and it's gonna be an awesome gift too. You know, who doesn't like to barbecue during summer? That is what we look forward to, because it is time to be out there to enjoy the cool air, to enjoy the breeze, not in very hot sun though. We don't want to stay under that. You know, we always have these things. A lot of people have it on at their patio that kind of give them the shield. Then they have their grilling thing right there. Family and friends gather together to enjoy. So this will be a cool gift to give to a dad. Indoor outdoor grill, electric grill. All right, number 3 gift that you can give to dad is gonna be, this is so cool. When I saw this, I was like, wow, I so much love what they wrote on. It's a glass cup, but what they wrote on it, it's what's kind of fascinating to me. Number 3 is gonna be to dad from the reason why you drink glass, and this costs $13.99. It's super cool. You don't even have to worry about going ahead to inscribe all these words on it. If you know, it's already done. It's just a kind of funny glass that anytime dad is drinking from it, it's gonna be remembering and be like, oh, my daughter, my granddaughter, you know, or my wife gives this to me. I find it very cool. All right, the number 4, it's gonna be digital tile finder for keys and phones. If you remember one of my videos that I shot like sometimes early this year or early last year, I mean late last year, I'm sorry about that, late last year, December, I think that was when I did that, what you can give a man, you know, maybe for Christmas, I think. Yes, so I made mention of tiles that you can use it to locate, you know, locate phones, keys. If you have that kind of a dad that is always misplacing his keys, his his keys, it's wallet, yes, because you can actually use it to locate wallet too. If you have a pair on it, you know, attached to the wallet or something, there's a way it works. It's Bluetooth. This time around, they have the one that is digital, that you kind of, I think you download it on your phone, then you attach, you know, to pair it, then you just use your phone to kind of locate, you know, it's called digital tie finder. That is what it's called, and this is what I'm talking about right here. Yes, so that is super cool thing to give to dad, and it's sold for $16.65. Another thing will be is called beard kits, and this is sold for $18.99, and it's right here. This is what I'm talking about. This is super cool to give to dad too, if dad has that kind of, you know, he decided to keep his beard, to leave it, you know, growing, and he needs to moisturize it, he needs to make it look very soft and very neat and very groomed. Yes, that's the right word that I've been looking for, and I've been going like that. So yes, if you need to groom his beard, yes, this will be a super great gift to give to dad. This is sold for $18.99, and the most fascinating thing about this is that it comes with ebook. Okay, you could read online. Even when you offer him this, you can still download this ebook. We come with this total package. He doesn't have to pay extra money for that. Then he will be able to, you know, how to use all these products, right? Okay, so let's move to number 6. It's gonna be a grilling tools. I mean, you've already purchased grilling electrical grilling machine for that, so it's gonna need the tools to work all this, you know, to do all those barbecue, those spicy chicken, you know, those wings, you know. It's gonna need something to flip it here and there, and that is why I recommend grilling tools as well, if you, I mean, to offer to dad as a gift that's gonna be very memorable. All these things are things that will last for a long time. All right, and this is sold for $45.99. okay, we're gonna move into the 7th one, which is for dad that has everything. If you have that kind of dad that has everything, that you think that, oh, there's nothing I can offer that, he has everything, then you customize something for him.
Guys, here I'm going to recommend you do a customized wallet. All right, I'll put the website on the screen.
Okay, find a way to get it and customize, print picture on it, put his name, put some kind of words that you want to express that are not too much, just maybe to dad, I love you, you know, something like that. Just customize it on the wallet, or get a glass cup and do a personalized gift, like just kind of put your own words on the glass, find, you know, just to personalize. I would recommend that for that has almost everything. All you can do to, I mean, all you can offer them is a customized item that's specifically made for them. All right, and the next one I will be talking about, this one is actually on sale at the moment on Amazon. Okay, it's Alexa Echo portable speaker. Okay, it's on sale at the moment that I'm talking to you, so you might want to grab this if daddy doesn't have it already. Okay, it is called Alexa Echo portable speaker, like I said, and it's sold for $24.99 at the moment, and I think it was 40 something, but right now it's sold for $24.99. Item that will be mentioning, it's called Smart Choice / Smart Plug, and this is also sold for $24.99. What this does is you plug it, you can actually use it to command your to command your blender to blend whatever you put in the, you know, that's so fascinating. When I saw it, and I watched a video that actually showed how it's operated, you know, on the website. It was very fascinating to me. I was like, oh, that's super cool. You just have to plug it with your extension that you have on the wall already, then you plug it in. After you plug it in, you plug in the appliance that you want to use your tone to command, that it should blend this, you know, turn on the lights, off the lights, you know, that kind of a thing. It's very cool. You can give that to dad as well. And the last thing on my list is things that we all have thought about. all the time. We must have offered dad, we must have offered uncle, we must have offered boyfriend, husband, significant other, which is cologne. Yes, I'm going to recommend that too. You might, maybe you have seen what daddy used on his dresser, you might have seen what he uses running out. You can just get him that. Before it finish that, he will really appreciate it, because you will notice that that particular one is running out, or you have a particular one that you like, that you feel like he's going to like as well. Just go out there and purchase it. So there are many colognes out there that you can buy. So the one that I bought for my hubby, it's this one. This is a gift set, and this is what I'm giving him for Father's Day. And the other one here, right here beside the door, is the one for his birthday. He loves colognes a lot, but he doesn't really go out. He's a very, very shy person, but at the same time, you know, he loves to smell, to have that nice scent, to smell good all the time. So that's why I decided that, you know what, I'm gonna make it a double deal, buy him 2 cologne at the same time for his birthday and for Father's Day. So we have a lot of cologne out there, and this is sold for $106. And the reason why this is a little bit pricey is because it's a gift set. That's why. Because if you buy individual, of course, it shouldn't be pricey like that. The other one was I forgot the price, but I put it on the screen. So this is how this one is looking. So inside this place, this is going to be a very good gift set, honestly. Idea gift to give to dad, because we have the cologne right here, we have a deodorant that comes with it, and we have the lotion that comes with it as well. Aftershave balm, rather, I'm sorry, this is aftershave balm, this is the deodorant, yes, and this is the cologne. Okay, look at that. You know, by the time you combine all this good stuff together, it's gonna be like sweet, you know, sweet scent. Like it's gonna be smelling really good. So, and I like stuff like that too, you know, for somebody to smell nice, you know, just, you know. Anyway, this is all the products that I have in mind for Father's Day's gift idea. So whichever one that you're interested in, the link will be in the description box, and let me know your thoughts about this video down in the comment section. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.